My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. This is the 2021 Volkswagen ID4. This vehicle has done just under 35,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a fully electric motor. On the steering wheel we have features such as cruise control and voice control. We also have automatic headlights and a keyless ignition. On the touchscreen we can get access to navigation, Apple CarPlay, background, driver assist. We also have climate control here, which comes with classic climate and smart climate. We have a variation of driving modes. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it has a reversing camera with the parking sensors. As we go into the back of the vehicle, we can see that all the seats have a grey leather trim. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening times are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5 and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.